Section 1. The Librarian versus the Reporter. A new YouTube philosophy. So you want to build a real business on YouTube. One that pays the bills, not just for a month, but for years. The common advice you hear is to chase trends. Jump on the latest viral challenge. React to the biggest news. That's the reporter model. It's a constant, exhausting sprint for attention. The problem is, news gets old. Hype dies. A video that gets 1 million views today might get almost 0 views a month from now. It's a hamster wheel. Today, we're getting off that wheel. We're going to talk about a different approach. It's calmer. It's more strategic. It's built for the long haul. We are going to be librarians, not reporters. Think about a library. It's filled with resources that are valuable today, tomorrow, and next year. People go there with a specific problem or question, looking for a reliable answer. That is the kind of YouTube channel we are building. Each video is an asset, found through search weeks, months, and even years after you upload it. Section 2. Your foundation. Uncovering searchable, evergreen ideas. So, where do you find these evergreen video ideas? The answer is simpler than you think. You don't need expensive, complicated tools, though they can help. Your primary tool is the YouTube search bar itself. This is your direct line into the mind of your audience. Start by typing a broad topic related to your niche. Let's say you're in the home office tech space. You might type, best webcam for, and pause, for streaming, for Zoom, for Mac, under $100. Each of those suggestions is a proven, searchable video idea. The goal is to find evergreen topics, ideas that stay relevant for a long time. How to set up a home office for better productivity is useful for years. iPhone 17 rumors has a short shelf life. Build your channel on evergreen pillar videos. They bring consistent traffic and build authority long-term. You can use simple browser extensions to get more data, estimated search volume, and how many videos already exist. Look for the sweet spot. Decent searches, manageable competition. Find popular questions that aren't answered well. Validate ideas before you press record. Once you have a list, organize them. Think about questions people ask before they buy. How to start, best options, then specific reviews. Your job is to create videos for each stage. This is the start of our content funnel. We'll cover it later. Section 3. The anatomy of a review that actually sells. Product reviews will be the financial engine of your affiliate channel. This is where you directly recommend products and use your affiliate links. But a lazy review will get you nowhere. Simply reading a list of features from the product's website is a waste of everyone's time. Your audience can do that themselves. A great review that builds trust and drives conversions has 3 key ingredients: context, a clear use case, an honest opinion that includes the downsides. These elements separate a basic review from a truly helpful one. First, provide context. Start your review by clearly stating who the product is for and who it is not for. For example, if you're reviewing complex editing software, if you're a complete beginner just looking to trim family videos, this is probably overkill. But if you're a creator leveling up with color grading and effects, this is something you need to see. This simple framing shows you understand the market and are trying to help, not just sell. Next, demonstrate the use case. Don't just tell people what the product does, show them. If it's software, do a screen recording. Walk through the setup process, show the feature you love most in action. If it's a physical product, show it in a real-world scenario, how it works, how it feels, and how it fits into a workflow. This visual proof is far more powerful than any spec sheet. Finally, be honest about the cons. Point out a flaw, then explain why it might not be a deal breaker. Honesty builds trust, and trust turns viewers into buyers. Section 4. The 3-video funnel. Guiding viewers from what is to I'll take it. A successful affiliate channel doesn't just throw random videos at the wall. It builds a system. The most effective system is a simple 3-stage content funnel. It attracts new viewers, helps them make a decision, and guides them to the point of purchase. Each stage has a specific job. By creating videos for each stage, you build a complete journey and become the go-to resource. The top of the funnel, tofu, is about awareness. Broad, high-level questions for discoverability. Example titles: What is affiliate marketing? Or 5 ways to improve your home Wi-Fi. These are educational. You're not pushing a product hard. You're establishing expertise. The middle, mofu, is for consideration. Viewers compare options. Example: Shopify versus WooCommerce. Which is better for artists? Or Sony ZV-E10 versus Canon M50. Lay out pros and cons. Help them narrow choices. The bottom, bofu, is for decision. They're ready to buy and want confirmation. Example: Shopify Full Tutorial 2026, from zero to first sale. Deliver deep dives and step-by-steps. At the end, make your clearest CTA. If you're ready to get started, I've put my affiliate link in the description below. The rhythm of success: consistency, batching, quality. YouTube rewards consistency. It favors channels that show up reliably. Absolutely not every day. Burnout kills quality. Find a sustainable rhythm. 1 or 2 high-quality videos a week. Batch similar tasks. Script together. Film together. Edit and design together. It's more efficient and raises quality. Filming mode builds on-camera flow. Editing mode sharpens pacing, cuts, and graphics. Less context switching, better results. Section 6. The click contract: thumbnails and titles that deliver. Your thumbnail and title are the gateway to your video. They work together as a single unit, and their only job is to earn the click. This creates a click contract. The title makes a claim. The thumbnail visually supports it, and you must deliver. Titles should be clear, searchable, and benefit-driven. Include the keywords people search and sound human. Try Product X review, 5 things I hate, and 2 I love. Create curiosity while staying clear about the topic. Use numbers, ask questions, and hint at outcomes. Pass the 3-second test, instant comprehension. Use bright, high-contrast colors. Keep text to 3 to 5 words, large and legible. Use a sharp product image or your expressive face. Avoid clutter. The most important rule: the thumbnail and title must match. Full tutorial should show the interface. Is it worth it? Can show a product with a big question mark. Clickbait may get a click, but viewers leave quickly, and the algorithm notices. Honor the click contract and you'll see higher CTR and longer watch time. In the world of YouTube, not all views are equal. The algorithm prioritizes watch time, especially average view duration. Chasing short, superficial content is often a losing strategy. The algorithm rewards depth. How long? As long as needed to deliver the promise, no longer. For tutorials and reviews, 8 to 12 minutes is a frequent sweet spot. Start with a strong hook that states the value and what they'll learn, then get straight to the point. A YouTube channel with a strong community is a fortress. A community doesn't just watch, it engages, supports, and advocates. See your audience not as views, but as individuals you're there to help. Shift from broadcasting to conversation. Reply early and often. Ask specific questions like, what's the one feature you wish this app had? Establish a unique angle. Technical expert, friendly beginner, or straight-to-the-point reviewer. Pick what's authentic and be consistent. This trust is the currency of affiliate marketing. People buy from those they know, like, and trust. When you've shown up, provided value, answered questions, and been honest, a recommendation feels like a helpful suggestion, not a sales pitch. Great content comes from a process. Use a simple, repeatable workflow from idea to publish. Start with keyword research. Draft a bullet point outline. Hook, key talking points, and a clear call to action. Record on a designated filming day. Prioritize clear audio and stable shots. A decent mic beats a fancy camera when starting. Capture plenty of B-roll and screen recordings to show proof. Be ruthless. Cut pauses, mistakes, and rambling. Keep the pace brisk with text and graphic overlays. Lock the edit, then craft a title and thumbnail. Write a helpful description. Place your primary affiliate link with a clear disclosure. Your job isn't done after publish. Track, test, learn. A week after launch, check YouTube Studio. Look at click-through rate and average view duration. If CTR is low, under 4%, your title or thumbnail isn't working. Create a new thumbnail and test. If view duration is low, study where people drop off and why. This isn't criticism, it's free feedback for your next video. We've covered the system: finding evergreen ideas, creating valuable reviews, building a content funnel, and a consistent workflow. The final ingredient is patience. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. The Librarian model is a slow burn. Early views and commissions may be small. That's normal. Think of each video as planting a seed. It takes time to sprout, grow, and bear fruit. Evergreen videos keep growing after the trend fades. As your library grows, old videos link to new ones, and authority lifts your whole channel. Don't chase 100K subs. Make one good video this week, one solid keyword, one honest review, 10 genuine replies. Forget vanity metrics. Improve a little each video. Learn from analytics. Persistence is your greatest competitive advantage. So the path is clear. Be a librarian. Build a library of value, one video at a time. Focus on search, not hype. Build trust, not just an audience. Work your system with consistency and patience. If you commit, you'll look back in a year or two, not at forgotten, trendy videos, but at a durable, reliable business. An automated asset working around the clock, generating affiliate sales and delivering real value. Now is the time to build your library. Start with the 3-video funnel playlist in the end screen. Links and resources are in the description. Honor the click. Deliver the value. Play the long game. Before you go, smash like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for smarter YouTube growth. New deep dive videos every week. Join the library and level up.